Hello viewers, today I am going to explain to you how to use Burp Suite. Burp Suite is a tool for performing web application penetration testing. Burp Suite is a simple interception proxy tool. You will understand when I simulate it. All the traffic from and to the browser will be sent through the tool. So we can capture the request, analyze it, manipulate it, and even we can repeat the request multiple times. In Parrot OS and in Kali Linux it is pre-installed. So you don't need to install it again. Note that the installed version is a community with limited features. If you want professional you can buy in portswigger.net. For beginners, the community version is enough to play around. For using all features use the professional version. Let us start now. Open the tool by typing the Burp Suite in the terminal or open from the application menu. Wait for loading. Open temporary project with default configuration. Now after opening the tool, we need to set up the browser to route the traffic. Open your browser and go to Preference, type Proxy and open it. Now select the manual proxy configuration, type 127.0.0.1 and in port type 8080. Select the checkbox also use this proxy server for all protocols. Now click OK. We need to install the certificate. Before that make sure intercept is on. Type the URL http://burp. Click on CA certificate, it will download the certificate. After downloading import it. To import go to browser settings and follow my step. Check both the checkboxes. And simple to use Burp proxy most effectively with HTTPS sites, this certificate is used. That's all for setting up. After that now in Burp Suite open the proxy tab and make sure the intercept is on. Here you can see the forward, drop and action button. Forward will send the message onto the server or browser, the drop will abandon the message so that it is not forwarded. Clicking on the action button will show a menu of available actions that can be performed on the currently displayed message. Let's see a hands-on example. Open the browser and go to google.com. In Burp, you can see the request, either we can forward it or drop it. Now I am clicking on forward. Now the page will be displayed in the browser. If you click on drop the request won't go to Google server, so you will not able to see the page. Try it and see. Now I will show how to see all the directories and files in the server. The spider will find files and directories on the server. Internally it will perform brute force by sending multiple requests to the server. This will be helpful when you are doing CTF. This time for showing you I am opening a machine that running a web server in 192.168.1.103. Right click and click send to the spider, it will start spiting. It will ask to add to the scope. Go to the target tab and click here and check the checkbox show only in scope items, because if not it will show all the sites. Right click on the URL and click spider this host. Wait for it. We can see different folders and files present on the server. We can see that in the spider tab whether the spider finished or not. The scope tab can be used to manage the URL. That's all for this video, I will continue in the next video. Look into the tool, play with the request. Till then bye for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and share the video.